Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the Rogers website. Rogers, found at rogers.com, is a prominent Canadian telecommunications company providing a wide range of services including wireless phone plans, internet access, and television packages. Their website serves as a central hub for customers to manage their accounts, explore available services, troubleshoot technical issues, and pay bills. Navigating the site, you'll find sections dedicated to individuals, businesses, and enterprise solutions. For personal users, there's a wealth of information on choosing the right phone, finding the optimal internet plan for their needs, and exploring the various television options available, from basic cable to premium channel packages. Business users can find tailored solutions for their communication needs, including dedicated internet lines, business phone systems, and cloud-based services. The enterprise section caters to larger organizations with more complex requirements. Rogers.com also offers support resources like FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information for customer service representatives. The site design aims for a user-friendly experience with clear navigation and search functionality to help users quickly find the information they need. It also highlights current promotions and offers to keep customers informed of potential savings. While the site can be information-dense, Rogers attempts to streamline the user journey by using categorized menus, drop-downs, and interactive tools. Furthermore, the website provides access to the My Rogers self-serve portal, where customers can manage their accounts, view bills, track usage, and modify their services. In addition to the core services, Rogers.com often features news and updates on the latest technology, network improvements, and community initiatives. They frequently promote bundled service packages, offering discounts for customers who combine their internet, phone, and television services. Overall, the Rogers website aims to be a comprehensive platform for both existing and prospective customers to access information, manage their accounts, and explore the various communication services offered by the company. They strive to maintain a contemporary online presence, adapting to the ever-evolving digital landscape. The platform also emphasizes accessibility features, striving to provide an inclusive experience for all users. While the website occasionally faces user critiques regarding navigation or specific features, Rogers continually updates and improves its online platform based on customer feedback and evolving industry best practices.